And a beautiful rainbow. There she is.
That timing they wanted us to get there by.
We pretty much did. Oh, I'm so excited. Jason, it's Aloha.
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 Thank you.
Thank you.
Look at all the beads. All checked in. Got my seat pass. Now just waiting on Jason. But here's what the terminal looks like. Definitely a smaller terminal. Found your AirPods?
Ah, yes.
There she be. And there be the line. We got a little ways to go. Guarantee that's what's happening though.
Yeah.
Look at that beautiful touch. Thank you. Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay. Jason made me close my eyes. I pretty much rode the elevator like. Oh, are we going to the lawn club first? La ti da. I need to put my sunglasses on. Set that there. Woo! So we're walking around the lawn club?
Yep, yep. Going that way.
He has to give me the tour. I'm not allowed to look anywhere.
It's all about the order.
This is so cool, but no heels.
No heels.
So Jason said that's the best seat in the whole ship. Look at that view. Oh, we gotta get our lays on. It's so quiet in this buffet though. Normally it's like mass chaos.
You want on board yet?
True. All right, and here's my Celebrity Solstice Aqua Class room tour. There's my champagne. That does come with Aqua Class. We have some juice and teas. Couch. Here is the closet that has robes ready on the inside with a safe. Here's the bed, nice and fluffy. Ooh, a little swag bag. Looks like there's some slippers in there. Then a beautiful, gorgeous balcony with me connecting to my friend next door. Beautiful, beautiful. Then of course you have your TV, drawers, mini fridge, another cabinet, boudoir, and the bathroom. So what's really nice about the Aqua Class bathrooms is the shower. Look at all those jets. And it's like rainforest shower head. And also with Aqua Class, you do get upgraded amenities as well. So I just finished unpacking my room. And the canapes came. So in Aqua Class, you get canapes brought to your room every afternoon. Since it's fish, Jason didn't want his. And I love fish, especially tuna. So excited. And now it's time for muster drill. If you don't see it on your seat pass, that's where you need to go. It's on the back. Nothing like a little sunset time. What are your top 3 embarkation day tips?
Don't show up super early.
Okay.
Bring a carry-on that has your medicine, money, computer, that kind of stuff. And 3, I'll say, in addition to 2, bring a swimsuit on board if you want to go.
Yeah.
3, gosh, when you get right on board, go to a bar, I guess.
You hear it. That is from a certified travel agent, so you know it's good. It is dinner time. We are heading to Blue after some nice cocktails in the martini bar. Literally my reason for living. I call this home. So this is the restaurant that is specific to Aqua Class only. And here we go. And here is the menu for this evening.
Okay,
so this
is speak to my lawyer before you take a picture.
Yeah. I promise it's not running right now. Yeah.
I'm just telling.
Do you have outstanding warrants?
So you know what I'm talking about.
Yes.
And we are in U.S. territory, so.
So obviously part of the plus to dining in Blue is having a sommelier like yourself to pair our dishes. I want to know what the best wine recommendation is for the crab risotto.
Crab risotto. So once you say risotto, it would be definitely for me. I would recommend you a nice Chardonnay.
Okay.
Okay. First, let me check if I have the California Chardonnay with me. First thing I wanted to check with you: do you have any beverage packages?
We sure do.
Thank you so much.
Good.
It makes my life easier.
Good.
So,
Perfect.
And I'm doing the
tenderloin.
The pork tenderloin.
Pork tenderloin. So pork tenderloin. Have you tried the Argentinian Malbec?
I'll try it. Yeah.
I would definitely recommend to go around.
Okay, yeah,
Malbec is something like medium to full, and the tannins are much more smoother as compared to Cabernet. So definitely to go.
Okay.
All right, perfect. How do you feel about that?
I do like that. It's good.
You like that?
I do.
Beautiful. There's our Chardonnay for the next time.
I got a salad.
You could probably still get one.
I'm out.
I want to see your opinion on this.
Good.
Very good.
Very light.
Let's go. Jason, that looks beautiful.
It does look great.
Mmm, and risotto with crab. Mmm, almost dropped my GoPro into it. I know what I'm getting. It's right there. So pretty. Oh, and there's a scoop of ice cream.
Sugar free or no sugar added?
You're so skinny.
I wish.
I need coffee. This time change is kicking my butt. Jason, where are we going? No. Pronounce it. Say the cafe. I said, where are we going?
To bed.
No.
Okay, the cafe. We gotta call.
Cafe what?
Bacchio?
Bacchio. Oh my God, it's so bad. Jason, what is your secret? What is your secret? How do you stay up so late?
I order espressos or other coffee treats after dinner.
Oh yeah! Oh, won't you, babe? Clock strikes upon the hour, and the sun begins to fade. And then let time figure how to chase my blues away. If you change your mind, I'm the first in line. Baby, I'm still free.
Take a chance on me.